my channel. Today's video is going to be a updated 6-month review on my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. I'm super excited. We're going to talk about good stuff on this video, pros, cons, a little overview of it. So if you're curious about this bag or want to buy this bag or already bought the bag and want a little more info on it, then continue watching. But before we get started, guys, hello, I want to introduce myself. My name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury content here on my YouTube channel. So that consists of what's in my bags, hauls, reviews, first impressions, all that fun stuff. So if you're in that kind of thing, then this is the channel for you. Please subscribe, click that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload. I don't have a consistent schedule right now. I just upload when I can, really, and I love doing this so much. It makes me so happy. And yeah, I would really appreciate it if you joined our little community. And yeah, we have fun, we talk about good stuff, handbags, and yeah, it's fun. So I've had this bag, I don't know what I was gonna say. I've had this bag for about 6 months now, and I am freaking in love with this bag so much. This is the perfect little nano bag, and to be honest, I was always obsessed with this bag. And when I got it, I was like, this is a tiny bag. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing, but it's so cute. And you know what? I made it work, and I'm obsessed now because this thing can fit a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys some like overview of it and pros and cons. So the product details, because I do not know from the top of my head. This bag is 6.3 inches in length, 3.9 inches in height, and 3 inches in width. Yeah, it's a tiny bag. Monogram coated canvas, of course, vachetta leather, gold hardware, and it is super cute. I just love it so much. It is one piece of canvas, so if you look from the front and go all the way back, it's one continuous piece. And then they have the two sides with the D-ring. So I have the one where the strap is removable, which I wanted from the start, and so happy I was able to get this one, because I really don't like the one that you can't remove the strap, because I feel like you're limited, because most of the time I honestly just carry it on my hand, like I don't put it crossbody. So I think if I had the other one, I wouldn't really enjoy it as much, because the strap would just get in my way and I wouldn't reach for it. So I'm so happy that I was able to get this one with the removable strap. It's a strap. It's vachetta leather. I love it because it is adjustable. If you guys know me, if you're new, I love adjustable straps on handbags because I'm short and I'm on the curvier side, so I like to wear crossbody bags, but if the strap is adjustable, then I can put it a little bit lower or a little bit higher, and it is perfect. It has gold hardware on for like the strapping part, whatever you call these things, I don't know what you call them. And yeah, I just love the look of it as well. So yeah, here's the holes where you can adjust it, and I just really love that about this bag. The bag itself, like I said, has vachetta leather right here. You guys can see that clearly. There we go, it's focusing now. Has little gold hardware details, the canvas. This is a little side view of it. Has a cute LV here. The other side view of it has the LV here as well. Has some trimming with vachetta. Here's the bottom, no feet, and it just has that, again, continuous piece of canvas. So super cute bag. And the strap drop is 17.9 inches, and then the maximum strap drop is 23.2 inches. So very good, and double handle. So has 1 and 2 handles, which I really like because they are so easy, like they fall right over them, not in the way or anything. So I really like that too. So I have a bunch of notes on my phone that I like to write down because I like taking notes. We're gonna go through one and one. So it's gonna be one pro, one con, one pro, one con. Of course, I have more pros to this bag than cons. I have more pros to this bag than cons. Yeah. Pro of this handbag, if it's a good amount. So like I said before, when I first got it, I was like, yikes, what am I gonna fit in here? It's so cute, but what am I actually gonna put in here, right? No. this fits so much. This fits my wallet, my phone, my car keys, my chapstick, my hand sanitizer, everything. I mean, you do have to be organized with this bag in order to fit everything, but I love it because it is like, it doesn't have any pockets or anything, so it's just like one giant hole and it fits a good amount. So I'm really happy about that, and I'm really happy about it because it actually fits my phone and I don't have to like carry my phone in my hand and all that, so that is good. Second pro of this bag, it is versatile. So I like to usually wear it on my hand like this, or you can wear a crossbody, and I think if you really wanted to, you can make the strap shorter enough and you can wear it as like a shoulder bag. I've never seen it been done, but you never know. So you could definitely wear this crossbody, shoulder bag, and just in your hands. It is so convenient and I really like that. The pro is, like I said before, is it is a removable strap. So this one comes off, the older version doesn't, and that is really good because I love versatile bags and like to change up the look of my bags. So that is definitely a pro for me. As we're talking about versatility, is that how you say it? Versatility. You could definitely dress this bag up or down. So I've worn this at weddings and it looks amazing. I've worn it with a sweat outfit, a nice coat, and it looks amazing. Just a sweat outfit, looks amazing. Casual, you can literally, and there it goes. You could dress it up or down, and I love that about it. Okay, so I purchased a Speedy a while back and I sent it back because it was driving me nuts that I was putting things in the bag and it was just sagging and looking like not cute. So I really love how as much as I put in this bag, it doesn't sag, doesn't lose its shape, which I really love because I was actually afraid of that. If I was like putting stuff, you could actually like see it slump a little, but it doesn't. It just stays its shape and it looks really cute still. So that is definitely a pro for me. Another pro for me is how smooth the zipper is when you open and close it. It doesn't get stuck. And I love how you can open this, I mean, not, you know, super wide, but you could definitely open it wide enough where you can put your hand in and take your hand out very easily. So that is definitely a pro for me. Before, but another pro for me is how the handles are easily, you know, movable. They're not in your way or anything. So I love that about this handbag as well. And my last pro, I did tell you I was gonna go pro and cons, didn't I? Oh, I really messed up. Okay, well, we did all pros, and my last pro is how this bag is very rare. So if you want to purchase it and enjoy it and take care of it, of course, but also want to resell it, you can actually, you know, get what you paid for it, which is really nice, or make some money off of it. So that is always a plus for me and always what I look for when I am investing my money into handbags. And yeah, that is her, all the pros. So as many pros as I have, I do have a few cons, which is, you know, not too bad, but you know, I just wanted to mention them because for those who are wondering about this bag, you know, I just want to let you know, I want to be honest here, you guys are my friends, I want to be honest. So one con that drives me kind of kooky, but I'm totally, you know, gonna deal with it because I love this bag so much, is that my phone gets stuck in here. So it does fit, thank God it does fit, so I'm happy about that. But when I try to take it out, it takes a minute. Okay, so I'll show you an example. So this is my phone and I'm putting it in, right? You gotta like shove it down a little bit, but you know, when you have other things, it might come out easily now, forewarning, but when you have other things in here, it doesn't come out so smoothly. So you kind of gotta wiggle it around and you gotta kind of, you know, pull it out like that. But like I said, it comes out smoothly now because there's nothing else in the bag. But when you have other things in the bag, it's kind of tough to get out. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy 22 Plus, it's gonna get stuck. I don't know about the iPhones, I don't have an iPhone, but I'm sure they do fit. I think I've seen a video where someone's doing it with my bag and their iPhone fit. So that's great, but it might get stuck. So forewarning, I just wanted to mention that. So another con of this bag is that you have to be organized with it in order for you to want to bring a lot of things in this bag. Like I said, I have my wallet, my chapstick, my keys, and all that. You have to like have it organized, because what I find is that my wallet slides down to the bottom and then I can't put my phone in because it doesn't have that space on the bottom. So just be organized and I promise you, you'll fit a lot in here. So that is just like a little con for me. And my last con is that it would have been nice, in my opinion, if Louis Vuitton, you're hearing me right now, which you're probably most likely really not, but hear me out. If you had a pocket in this bag, right, you can use that pocket as a wallet. So you can put some cards, you can put some cash, and you wouldn't have to put a wallet in here, and that gives you more room. So let me know what you guys think of that. You know, like, I think it's a great idea, but yeah, it's just me, you know. Yeah, that is a con, vice, I don't know what you want to call it, but I just wanted to mention that. And yeah, that is today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Subscribe, please. I just did a giveaway. It's over and closed now, but I will be doing more giveaways. Don't worry, because I love Christmas and I just want, you know, I want to appreciate you guys, because you guys are here for me, you guys support me, and it means the world to me. And you know, I wish I could literally give you each one a giveaway prize, but I cannot. So I will be doing another giveaway soon, so go follow me on Instagram. I'll put my name on the screen. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.